एवरी डे त्रिपुरा में आप न्यूज़पेपर खोलिए 12 पीपल कॉट इन द रेलवे स्टेशन, कहीं में आप देखिए 20 पीपल कॉट हियर. नाउ फॉर एवरी 10, 15, 20 पीपल बीइंग कॉट इन Tripura, hundreds and hundreds are actually crossing over.
Because the borders are porous.
Borders are porous.
Said that your state needs a Bihar kind of SIR.
Yes,
There's so much of controversy regarding SIR. Nobody really, other than the BJP, seems to be supporting the SIR even in Bihar. And here you're asking for it in your state. So can you tell me why you think it's necessary?
You see, I'll give you the whole context. See, SIR in Bihar, you've seen in the newspaper reports, people are turned up from Bangladesh, from Burma, they've turned up. Nepal, of course, I can understand, border है, तो नेपाल से आ सकते हैं. आप म्यांमार से लोग बिहार कैसे पहुंच गए? क्या श्रीलंका के थ्रू आए वो लोग? नहीं, they have come through the east, the eastern corridor. People from Bangladesh have entered Bihar, they have come through the eastern corridor.
You're talking about Rohingyas now?
The Rohingyas, there are other
From Myanmar only they would have come, no?
They would have come from Myanmar. They can come from the Chittagong Hill tracks also.
Yeah.
Because they are Arakan belt.
Yeah.
They are there near the Cox's Bazar side. And they are entering from the northeast. Every day, Tripura में आप newspaper खोलिए 12 people caught in the railway station. कहीं में 20 people caught here. Now for every 10, 15, 20 people being caught in Tripura, hundreds and hundreds are actually crossing over.
Because the borders are porous.
Borders are porous. Hemanta Biswa Sarma is doing an illegal eviction drive. In Nagaland, last week, 200 cars, trucks of illegal migrants were entering Dimapur. The Nagaland police had to stop them. Tell me why at 2 o'clock at night, 200 trucks filled with illegal immigrants are entering Dimapur. Because they are being evicted out of Assam. So Nagaland has created a mechanism to stop them from entering. Meghalaya has done it, Mizoram has done it. In Tripura, no such steps have been taken yet. So, I believe that if you throw out an illegal migrant from Assam, and then they enter Tripura, they are there for 10, 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, they'll get the Aadhaar card, then they will go back to Assam, or they will go back to, or become a voter in Tripura, or go to Haryana and get a job, or go to Maharashtra, or come to Delhi, right? So, if we have to be serious about it, and we went to the election commission and we said SIR पूरे इंडिया में होना चाहिए. जो लोग ओपोज कर रहे हैं SIR का, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि बहुत लोगों के अंदर शंका हो सकती है. आप ऐसा कीजिए, हर दिन दिखा दीजिए ECI के वेबसाइट में कितने लोगों का नाम आपने डिलीट किया है, क्या नाम है उनका, और कितने लोग ऐड हुए हैं. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा, ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाएगा. लेकिन डर है कि